DSLRs are dead, bro. This 4K beast shoots cleaner, faster and lighter than your ex's excuses. You're hauling around a DSLR the size of a toaster, juggling clunky controls, praying for stabilization, and missing shots that should have been gold. The frustration? It's real. Your gear is slowing you down, killing your creative flow, and making your back beg for mercy. Whether you're a vlogger, creator, or hobbyist stuck with outdated, bulky gear that takes forever to set up and forever to focus, you're losing time, light, and sanity. In the fast-moving world of content, you can't afford a camera that drags you back like it's still 2012. You need speed. You need clarity. You need a breakthrough. Every missed focus, every shaky handheld shot, every delayed boot up is pushing you closer to burnout. That dream travel video? Ruined by jitter. That wedding gig? You looked like an amateur. The pressure's building, the gear's failing, and deadlines don't care. Your creativity is drowning in menus that look like spreadsheets and image quality that screams meh. It's not just about capturing the moment, it's about owning it. And with your current setup, every shot feels like a gamble. You're not the problem, the camera is. But there's a smarter, slicker, downright sexier way to shoot. Meet the Panasonic Lumix G85, your new creative partner that doesn't flinch under pressure. This 4K mirrorless marvel is half the size of your DSLR, twice as clever, and 1000% more fun to shoot with. The 16MP MOS sensor, with no low-pass filter, serves up stunning detail like a beast, while the 5-axis in-body stabilization pairs with lens OIS to kill shake like a sniper. Flip, tilt, touch, this 3-inch LCD does tricks your old gear can't dream of. Shoot now, focus later with 4K post-focus. Capture buttery B-roll or sharp stills. Rain? Dust? The rugged splash-proof build laughs in its face. This ain't just a camera, it's a productivity machine for photographers and filmmakers on the rise. The Lumix G85 simplifies your process with intuitive thumbwheel controls, customizable menus, and Wi-Fi remote shooting that lets you command your shots like a boss. Say goodbye to wasted time, blurry fails, and awkward gear setups. This camera delivers cinema-level 4K video, crystal-clear photos, and eye-popping stabilization right out the box. No fiddling, no fluff, just fast, flawless content creation. Want versatility? The included 12 to 60mm lens handles everything from landscapes to tight portraits like a pro. Why settle for gear that slows you down when the Panasonic Lumix G85 is out here changing the game? It's not just a camera, it's your golden ticket to high-res mastery, portable power, and unmatched creative freedom. Step up your visual storytelling without breaking your back or your budget. Whether you're shooting TikToks or travel docs, this mirrorless monster will have you yelling "nailed it" every time you click. So stop compromising. Ditch the dinosaur DSLR. Add the G85 to your cart and level up your shot game today, before it sells out, again.